Hello traders, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be doing top down analysis. It's currently Monday, uh, almost 30 minutes before New York's action. Well, my I'll be using GU today. My favorite pairs, well, for me, EU, GU, and AU currently. So I'm not even thinking I'll be the change yet. Uh, well, down on the monthly time frame. GU has been bearish since 2007 November. Broke this low. Now since then, we've been under constant lows, which has been breaking lower. And after that, it did create this uh, liquidity here. That was, you know, as I said earlier in my previous videos, you can subscribe to my channel, give it a like if you do like the information I'm sharing. I spoke about what's it called? I spoke about these lows as previous liquidity points that can be target be aimed at. Spoke about that in my previous videos I did drop earlier, so you can check that out in my channel. Let me keep here before this one loads up. No other waste time. Okay, so currently we broke this low and we're down here. From that, I can say I don't want to start drawing pajamas lines. Well, we can also say this here got taken out by this candle here. That's gonna be my last point, I guess. I'm gonna use that as my own last point. So basically, GU took out this level, started going bearish from this level. Yep. Then after that, it created what got shifted to the downside from this level. Please keep with me, guys, or stick with me, guys, so you can see what levels I'm talking about. The quick imbalance got filled, kept going lower, pushed, took out this level, surprise. And after that, price pulled back into this level here. Alright. So after that, price pulled back to this. Sheesh, wait to be. Price pulled back to this level. And after the level, we're currently just sitting from. Let me just say this. We're currently at this levels here, which is 1.43795 and this low right here. Here, see here. Here is gonna be denoted as my invalidation. If price goes above here, I most likely want to be bullish or looking for bullish moves. If price goes above here, just probably to get into here, but hey, that's future wise. Here was gonna be my liquidity point. Hopefully, get taken. If not, price can probably mitigate something here and keep going higher because there are related eyes here, which can also be like liquidity, you know. But actually, if it got taken out, let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. Let's look at the level together. Yep, it is taken. So I don't really say doing anything, even though it does look, uh, like equal highs. We all know equal highs and all equal lows. Their liquidity resting above and below them, respectively. So currently, we've been bearish from this level here. What level is that? The last up that took out this level here. This little pajama stripe up in here. Yep, that little up candle. Can you see that? Let's zoom in a bit. This level here got taken out by this candle. So that candle is what I'm looking at in the future for price to tap into. So we got there and we started going bearish, looking for this low basically, and this low as well. But this low has gotten taken out. This is liquidity 2. This is the second one. Excuse me, I got a runny nose. Uh, so basically, price is heading to the downside, and well, we've been bearish after this. Should I say no? I have been bearish since this low got broken. Yeah, since that low got broken, I've been bearish on GU. You can check my Telegram group where I do post, or I can excuse me. Let me. How can I cancel this? Okay. So basically, if I go back to where I did start from, I have been posting bearish on all my trades, I guess. I think this is February. Yeah, okay, I think where is it? Is this February? Yeah, this is February. GU, I've been bearish on the assets. So you can check my previous post and see how far we've gone basically. And you can join the community. Don't just relax. Join where the money is moving. So basically, we broke this low because initially I might be looking for a pullback, like probably here after this low has been taken out. That is low has been taken out. We didn't really give any deep pullback or any retracement. We just keep going lower. So after this low has been broken, I would just follow the structure from now on because waiting for the pullbacks is one thing that my sorry, not waiting for the pullbacks. I mean, getting in before the pullbacks can can be something that might hurt you eventually. Like for instance, what I mean by that is this: if the price keeps going lower like this, for instance, and you're trying to buy based on, oh, I want to sell again. Yeah, that's right. But price isn't doing that at the moment, and we've been bearish. So to be on the safe side, we should be looking for bearish moves. Whenever you're coming in, just look for bearish. Hey, if you lose one or few bearish trades, it's okay. If you win some or you get positioned in them, you make your money back. That kind of mentality, you get it. Well, currently we broke this low here, create from this low, and before that as well, you can also probably say it broke this low. But with this low, we don't have any displacement basically. This is just a one ass candle and that's it. And regardless, if you took a trade here, hoping us to go lower, yeah, you might take a loss. Cool. But after this had happened, one, two, three, on the third day we broke back into the range, and on the fourth day we actually displaced lower, looking at it. And shit, if I'm here anytime, any day, I might be looking for 50% here to be met, and that's a trade you might have made your money back on. I think this is way too big. Yeah, yeah, 50% met and 50% you might just get out of here or But the thing is, what your bearish move that you stood on still paid you. If not, you might be like, oh, now let's start going bullish because we broke the structure. Well, anyways, This broke lower, and after that has been done, we are seeing here as well been taken out. This level here also got taken out. If you want to know more about my confirmations on lower time frames and all, you can check previous videos I dropped. Kindly subscribe and give me a like if you see any value in the content I'm dropping, basically, or I am posting. Dropping, posting, shebang. Well, anyways, GU currently was still looking at this level on a monthly time frame to probably get ran. Not 100% certain, but it should get ran. It's way too close by now. Well, anyways, yeah, we're looking at this range now because let me just use this. We're looking at this 50% range here, which is the new one. Or let me make it more simple to see. I'm going to use this level here as my invalidation point. I'm going to use this level as my liquidity. This is based on my daily time frame. If I'm looking at my daily time frame, because I see this level creating a lower high that got taken out, or that took out this lower low, creating a new lower low, which is just down here. So I should most likely expect 50% to be met this range before anticipating lower moves again, or it can also keep going lower. And with that level, it gave me this here upward, so that I'm taking again from here to here. You can see the 50% just right above this candle, and you also have an imbalance above here as well. So I don't really know which one might go tongue twisted. I don't know which one might actually get grabbed and keep going lower. But technically, that's 50% is actually more appropriate to always aim and target for. More convenient, I guess. Let me put it that way. So with GU, I think I took a trade. Yeah, I took a trade today on GU, not EU, and I lost it. I was looking for sales. I think this level is actually, yeah. I was looking for sales above somewhere here, and I got a bit cooked. I took one L, but I'm still looking for shirts, regardless. Why was I looking for shirt? Because we have a new range created on the 4 hour. You know, because this happened here on a daily. You didn't get it back, but you could have gotten a trade here and just ran this trade. But yeah, this is a loss. Just some of the scenarios that might happen, and this can just take out this liquidity as a buy side and come lower and take out the sell side liquidity. I spoke about this in my video of liquidities here. Please check that out, please. It's highly educational. I dropped a lot of gem in that one. Well, uh, what else? What else can I see? I still anticipating bearish moves, basically. So from there, 50% of this range, I want to see it as well. If it does want to go pull back and keep going higher, I'd like to see 50% range because we're still expecting high moves here. If not, we can keep going lower from here though. Excuse me. So GU expecting this low here. Went up, started bullish, and after that, yeah, I think let me just show you that one so you can see what happened why I lost the trade. Technically, we were here. Technically, we're here, and I was expecting bearish, bearish trend to continue basically because this was my level of invalidation earlier, and that was actually a little bit trying to show like it's trying to hold or something. So I considered looking for a short in here, and yeah, as you can tell, go right now. And let me see if I can just show you. What G, right? I think it should be here. Yeah, just right over here. I was looking for this trading range over here because we created a low and created high. I was looking for this trading range, 50% to be met. But this time around, it wasn't, but it just kept extending higher, which is cool. So I just took one trade, and that was it. Went ahead. And now we've broken structure to the downside because at first we didn't break this one. I think that was where I kind of got a bit twisted. I used my 1 minute time frame, which is not bad, but not always as strong sometimes. I should have used my 5 minute, waiting for this level here to be broken. But I used this one because this created a higher high and broke lower eventually. And with over 50%, you see how those met? It did. I tried getting an entry here, but yeah. But that's it. I still feel fulfilled because I followed my uh what's it called? I followed my rules, which is actually not jumping again. This is a good, not a bad trade for me. I shouldn't be mad about it. But currently, I'm expecting GU. What was that again? Da, da, wonder. So I'm expecting GU to most likely retrace from here. Most likely retrace from here. Basically, what am I looking at? Well, I see this low creating this high. So at first, I want to see what's going to be happening when this level is being met. Here is going to be where I call it okay, we're going to the downside. Here, when he invalidates this level, I want okay. I most likely want to be switching bias, I guess, for a bit. After that, we'll be looking for. Let me see. What else can I say? Because technically, the buys trend that is being created has actually also created what a breakout structure here, and we've been going lower for let's say the next past 20 minutes with what other candles have been met. If I try to use this last up candle, I can, but let me see. Did we come back to it here ish? So I most likely wait for. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna take this out. Let's be systematic. 50%. Then we can go lower. That's if it wants to. But when it breaks this level here, I actually just call it okay. Most likely one, or most likely, excuse me, I'm most likely gonna be aiming for the overall range, which is probably down here. If it does break this level, most likely get back down here, and now you look for more confirmations down here if were to go higher, or it doesn't give us any more confirmation and just leads to the downside. Because literally from here, we can rather have two things: a retracement. From here, we can rather have two things basically from now. We can, well, let me say three things, I guess. From here, shooting up higher, or a retracement to the 50%, and you look for a confirmation, probably 1 minute, 5 minute higher, or we just bleed based on we've taken out this liquidity, buy side liquidity, or sell side liquidity. So at first, you don't just rush into it. That's why we just have to wait at first for this pullback here. And if it's a valid pullback that also gave a little break of structure in 1 minute, or as a change of character on 1 minute, or you know, I see the last up candle to the back to dark candle, other bulkish, whatever you can call it. I find that on my 1 minute time frame or 5 minute, I find it something suitable for me. But after I find a retracement of, let's say, this 50% over here, I find it's 50% over here. Man, if it wants to keep going lower, great. Or less, this is just going to be a pullback and this just keeps going higher. Well, anyways, I'm going to call it quits for here. Thanks for watching. And if you like this, give me a thumbs up and let me know if you want to see or tell me any pair you want me to talk about. Basically, you can text me and communicate to me on the description. Sorry, comment section and on my Instagram, which is posted in the description below. Thank you, and if you want to book a call with me, also in my description below. Thanks for those that are watching now. Thanks for those that stick this far. Stay blessed. Take care. Bye.